Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia Argon Cooking. Today we are making Polish delicious sour rice soup called Żurek, my family favorite Easter soup, and I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. The first part, now I'll cut bacon. The bacon is cut on the side. Now I'll cut sausage. This is homemade sausage. We made the sausage for the Easter. You can find the recipe how to make the homemade sausage on my YouTube channel. Put on the side. Chopped onion. Stove is on a high heat. Of course, I will fry bacon. Sausage. Next, I will add onion. And next step, I have beef, pork and chicken broth. I will pour to the sausage, bacon and onion, and 1 cup of water. Cover. The Żurek is boiling right now. I will put stove on medium high. White sausage. Białą kiełbaskę kładę do zupy. Next step, I'm adding sour rice soup starter zakwas to Żurek. Next step, I'll adding organic marjoram from my garden. First, I will put 1 tablespoon. Three garlic cloves. Salt. 1 teaspoon. And black pepper. It's a good idea to just try. If you like the taste, you can always add more salt. Next, I will add 1 tablespoon of horseradish for the extra flavor. Cover and cook on low heat because I put the fresh white sausage, so we need to be cooked for 20 more minutes and the soup will be done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. And see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.